Welcome to Drive the Lightning, the positively charged EV channel. I am Sarah, and today we're talking about charging EVs. Shouldn't charging your EV be like this? Daily used rechargeable electronics should be plugged in at night and then used during the day and then plugged in at night. Should be that simple. When you leave your house in the morning with a full battery charge in your car, here's what you don't have to worry about. Range anxiety, whether or not there's a nearby DC fast charger or if it's being used. You just drive your vehicle, you get home, you plug it in, and in the morning, you do it again. Just like that. That's where this comes in. This is the E-KITE by Stoke Voltaics. They were kind enough to send it to us, and we're going to show you what it can do. Let's get it out of the box. Stay to the end. I'm going to show you how to upcycle this high quality box. First thing you see is the fantastic flex capacitor design. I don't know if that was intentional, but I approve. Here you have your instruction booklet. And in there you will find, pick a card, any card. What are these for? We'll get to it in a little bit. Here's the actual E-KITE charging unit that will be mounted. 9.5 by 8.8 by little over 2 inches. And then we have a 26-foot cord. And this will plug into a NEMA 1450. Mounting hardware is included in here. Nice casing over it so it'll look great when it gets mounted. And then this, the charging end is the J1172, which all electric cars except the Tesla have. And if you have a Tesla, it's still a good solution for you. You can just get an adapter. Let's get it all out on the table. Now you can see everything that we had in the box. So this is the mounting plate that will be mounted to the wall, and that will mount this to the wall. So that will fit onto the back of that. Then we have our, where you're going to put your charging plug. That's going to mount to the wall, and then this will fit neatly right into there. You got your mounting hardware is all included here. So let's go. It installs so easy. Just watch. Now that it's installed, let's see how easy it is to use. So you just grab your J1172, release it with the button here from its holder. Every electric car takes the J1172 with the exception of Tesla, which you can get an adapter for. Then you're just going to plug this right into your car. Okay, remember we talked about the cards before? So I have this card. You're going to take this once it's plugged into your car, and you're going to tap it right here. And now you're charging. Seriously, it is super easy to install. The nice thing about it is it plugs in using a NEMA 1450. We recommend having an electrician install it for you because it's electricity and I'm scared of it. I mean, I'm not afraid to drive it, but I'm afraid of it, electrocuting me. So we recommend an electrician, but if you're handy that way and if you have some training, you can go right to your local home improvement store and you can quickly find what you need to install this. Doesn't matter if you're installing it inside your garage or outside because it is waterproof. So this is the E-KITE by Stoke Voltaics. It is a great unit. It's very accessible if you're getting your first EV charger or if you're adding a second one for a second EV, or if you just have friends that have an EV and you want them to be able to charge. There'll be a link below if you would like to purchase one. And now, as promised, I'm going to show you the best way to reuse this high quality packaging. First, I'd like to say thank you so much to every member of the channel. You make a difference here in our home. We also want to thank all the members of the Mug Club who have bought mugs to help us get back to San Diego. We appreciate it so much. Now, what can we do with this?